Hello, this is Mario Tech unboxing gaming trio 5090 MSI, made by MSI. This is what it looks like. Just got it yesterday. I'm gonna put it in with my Ryzen 7 9800X3D, 32 gigs of RAM, DDR5. I'm going to switch it out from replacing my 3080 Ti. So this is a huge upgrade for me. Never had a 90 ever. I didn't even own a 4000 series. And see, this is what she looks like. Alright, here we go. Alright, what it looks like in the package. Huge sucker. Video card. Comes with a stand for the to prevent sag. The adapter. Manual. And I think that's it. Not much. So with the little stand, MSI, with little padded. I guess I'm assuming. Oh, there you go. See, so you'll lay it on top of your computer, underneath it. That way, it doesn't sag. Right. I think it's huge. All right. I don't have any more plastic. One more here, there, and some on here at the and then these right here. There. All right, and that's it. So I'll show more videos after I'm done of my setup and do some gaming and see how it runs. Thank you for watching Mario Tech. Have a good one. I'm gonna